Let's begin the recognition starting from our 5th place individuals, Kota Achiever.
For our 5th place
2025 DR of 60.02 million or 101.55% of the quota.
of the quota, let us all welcome Ms. Mara Tobangay from Santa Rosa.
5.63 million or 111.06% of the quota. Congratulations to Ms. Mar
7.71 million or 114.58%. Let us all welcome
our super quota achievers, those who went above and beyond their targets.
So your dedication and commitment truly took your 4%. Mary Jane, Ambar. Achiever awardee is
To Ms. Marisa Kabakungan with a performance of 101%.
So next, we move on to another outstanding recognition, the single biggest close quotation. It reflects not just the value of the deal, but the trust, persistence, and excellence behind every negotiation.
Quotation amounting 4,577,054.45.
Brageda from Ortigas.
Sa mga college ko po. Yung strategy ko po is yung I always
Excellence Individual Awards.
This award is given to individuals who have consistently demonstrated excellence, dedication to Mr. Chris Everett Hoson from our Balintawak branch with a 100% performance rating. Percent performance rating.
Eligible to accept the award.
Natin, katulad ng Wilcon, maganda ba? Gusto nga lagi tayong katabi. Gusto pa nga dalawa pa nga, gusto nga tayo yung panaman.